Hey out there, you guys. Got the Y2K Mustang again. Gonna show everybody how I'm gonna change the alternator, how to remove it. So get right after it, try to make a short video. So right down here you have your tensioner, idler pulley tensioner, and it takes a 3/8 ratchet or breaker bar. Make sure you disconnect the battery first. I've already done that. So let's get after it, see how long it takes me. Get the ratchet in there first. Down, take the tension off the belt. And then try not to, I hold a little tension on it and try to just keep it routed. So when I go put it back together, it's already routed. About due for a belt as well. Okay, I cut probably out of the shot there. Just pulled the belt off there when I took the tension off. And you got 4 bolts up on top. Front ones on mine are 10mm, back ones are 8mm. Pull the vacuum hose off here. Get it out of the way. Brackets off. Set that out of the way. I don't know if my tool will get down in there or not. And it's still warm, the engine. This is where a ratchet would come in handy. Pause out real quick and I'll grab my ratchet. Okay, so I had to go get a open end wrench, 10mm. Break these loose. And this on the Mustang, this alternator is slotted on the bottom. So should lift straight up and out. Okay. And yeah, it's still hot as a pistol. So there we go. Pop the cap off here. Of course I had the wrong socket. $11mm. There's a little washer in there too. It's kind of stuck. Just tab in and pull out. And it's out. There you go. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, click the thumbs down button twice. Like, share, and subscribe. Sure appreciate it. Thanks for watching.